Meet the next generation police package Tahoe. Chevrolet is honored to produce the only full-size, pursuit-rated, full-frame SUV standard with 8-inch diagonal high-definition rear vision camera, rear park assist, and available rear camera mirror that allows for a wider, less obstructed rear view compared to a traditional rear view mirror for vehicles upfitted with prisoner partitions, cargo barriers, or canine inserts, offering more features to help officers do their job. Standard passive entry and push-button start. This design allows officers to keep the remote key fob fastened on their duty belt for an entire shift without ever searching or fumbling for a key. The vehicle can be programmed in the infotainment settings menu to automatically lock the doors when the key has left the vehicle. Push-button electronic shift. Intuitive dash-mounted push-pull electronic shifter includes key features made especially for police work previously not possible with a mechanical column shift. If the vehicle is sitting or rolling slowly in drive and the driver exits the vehicle by undoing their seatbelt and opening the door, it can automatically stop the vehicle, set the parking brake, and shift to park at speeds under 5 miles per hour.
So the driver exit auto park feature, from what I understand, will stop the vehicle as long as I'm under 5 miles per hour as soon as I open the door. So I'm going to go ahead and give this feature a try. It sure did. So yeah, that's a tremendous feature to have. Very convenient if you're on a traffic stop and somebody bails on you.
Protected idle. This feature allows the vehicle to be unlocked and idling, but unable to be driven without a key detected. Pressing the repurposed cruise control cancel button on the steering wheel for 2 seconds will arm protected idle and notify the user to exit with their key. Once activated, Tahoe PPV will stay idling and unlocked so that the MDC computer and other emergency equipment will not require a reboot, saving valuable time if a quick response is needed.
All I gotta do is hit my cruise control cancel button for about 2 seconds and I get a little screen that says protected idle on. Now I can get out of the car and walk away. Don't have to worry about locking my door or worrying about somebody taking my vehicle, because the vehicle will only recognize me with my key fob that's on my key ring.
This system is also useful for canine vehicles to ensure a comfortable interior. A low fuel condition will not allow this system to activate. New standard performance features. The next generation PPV includes all-season V-rated Firestone Firehawk Pursuit tires mounted on 20-inch steel wheels to accommodate massive 16-inch front rotors with 6-piston Brembo calipers for increased braking durability and performance during the rigors of a high-speed pursuit. Heavy-duty police-rated suspension with unique StabiliTrak performance calibration work with the new independent rear suspension for improved handling and ride smoothness on uneven pavement or unpaved surfaces. A high-approach front fascia and heavy-duty front skid plate are also standard. Available four-wheel drive includes an auto four-wheel drive setting with terrain mode. Standard rear accommodations. Rear air conditioning remains standard to cool the 125.9 cubic feet of max cargo volume behind the front seats. An isolated auxiliary battery is dedicated to emergency equipment with an all-new design. A Class 4 towing package is also standard and rated at 6,000 pounds for both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models. Matching full-size spare wheel and tire is included and always accessible thanks to its convenient undercarriage design. Available liftgate emergency lighting provides extra warning to approaching traffic. Powertrain. The powerful standard 5.3-liter V8 engine is paired with a 10-speed transmission and features dynamic fuel management, which enables the engine to operate in up to 17 different cylinder patterns with as few as 2 cylinders to optimize power delivery and efficiency. A 250 amp alternator is also standard to meet the needs of emergency equipment. Standard amenities. The Tahoe PPV and SSV are equipped with unique police-specific front seats contoured to accommodate duty belts. This ergonomic design is also tailored to help make entry and exit easier. On the dash is a convenient location to store a driver's license, security gate pass, or fuel card. The steering wheel has two momentary button switches on the backside which have been repurposed for operation of upfitter supplied emergency equipment, such as lighting and push-to-talk department radio microphone provisions, which is pre-wired in the headliner. Tahoe also includes an isolated battery dedicated to emergency equipment with an abundance of upfitter wiring to reduce labor and installation time. Available 1FL safety package. The available fleet safety package includes lane keep assist with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, following distance indicator, automatic emergency braking, and front pedestrian braking. Rear camera mirror. An available rear camera mirror allows for a wider, less obstructed rear view compared to a traditional rear view mirror for vehicles upfitted with prisoner partitions, cargo barriers, or canine inserts.
All right, so taking a look at the 2021 PPV rear camera mirror, this is fantastic. I've got a rear view mirror that I haven't had in a police car in 20 years.
The all-new Tahoe PPV, offering more features to help officers do their job.